Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I'm going to show you a trick about addition, how to do addition in your mind. Okay, so this kind of a trick is very helpful when you are looking for like adding multiple numbers, or when you are adding like big numbers like 3-digit numbers to 3-digit numbers, something like that. Okay, so now let's see how do we do something like that. So over here, normally what do we do is we write like this, right? 315 plus 273. Then we start from right to left. We go 8, then 8, and then 7. Okay, but in this particular 5. In this particular case, what I'm trying to tell you, or what this particular trick is about, you start from your left. Okay, so here we are going to add 3 and 2, which is 5, 1 and 7, which is again 8, and 5 and 3 is 8. This is your answer. Okay, so now let's see how do we do this with our trick. We start from our left, we add the hundreds first. So 5 plus 3 is going to get you an 8. 8 plus 1 is going to get you 9. And 4 plus 2 is going to get you a 6. So you saw how easy this thing became, right? So students, if you're liking the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Okay, so the next one. Now here if you look, 4 plus 7 is going to get you an 11. But since it's on the 100th place, we are just going to write it as it is. Okay, and then we'll see if there is a carry involved. 8 plus 1 again gets you a 9, and 6 plus 2 gets you 8. So in this case, there was no carry involved. Okay, so in such a case, when there is no carry involved, you don't have to worry. Okay, but there are times when you might come across a carry or something like that. Okay, so in that case, what do we do? So these are the few questions which I have taken, and all of these have lot of carries. Okay, so let's solve this one by one. Before beginning with that, I would remind all of you all that at the end of the video, I'll put up a DIY whose answers you will let me know in your comment sections. Okay, the reason for me doing that is because whenever I teach a trick, I want you all to use that as soon as possible. So looking at my question, you do the calculation in your mind and let me know your answers in the comment section. That way you will also remember this trick for good. Okay, so now I think we have done too many two numbers addition. Now let's do three numbers. Okay, so in this case, now how does this normally work? Like I said, we are going to write it vertically and see also, but I'll just tell you my trick. Okay, so here we are going to add the hundreds first. We are starting from the left side. So 6 plus 8 plus 4 is going to get you an 18. Okay, then 2 plus 3 plus 6 is going to get you 11, and 3 plus 1 plus 3 is going to get you 7. Okay, so how are you going to write this? Normally while writing, if you get a single digit, we are going to write this as 07. So while adding whatever answers you're getting, you're going to write it in 2-digit form. And how is your final answer going to look at? You're just going to consider the units place of all these answers. Okay, so here unit place is 7, here unit place is 1, and what happens to this one, it gets carried and gets added to 18. Okay, here since there was only 7, so I took a 0. When you add 0 to 11, you will still get an 11, so there was no need to add it. Okay, so now you get 19, and that is your answer. See, understand, lot of people will show you that you can add this like this, 1800, make it 1800 because it's in the hundreds place, and then make it 110 because it's in tens place, and then add 7 to it. Okay, this is not wrong, this is actually the right way of doing it. But in order to do it faster or quickly, you can use this particular trick of writing your answers in 2-digit form. Okay, and then just considering the units place, whatever happens in your tens place gets carried forward. Okay, over here also let's do this. So 7 plus 3 is going to get you 10, 8 plus 2 is also going to get you a 10, and 9 plus 4 is going to get you 13. So here your answer is going to be 3. 1 gets added to 10, so you get an 11, and then this 1 will get added over here, so you get 1, 1, 1 and 3. So you saw how easy this entire thing became. Okay, so now let's move and see what happens when you have more than 3 numbers to get added, when you have like something like this. Okay, so what you do in this case also, we are just going to add all the 100 places. So here 3 plus 4 is going to get you a 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 6 plus 8 plus 3 is going to get you 17. 17 plus 4 is going to get you a 21. And 9 plus 2 plus 6 is going to get you 17. 17 plus 8 is going to get you a 25. So your final answer will have a 5. 2 when get added to 21 gets you 23. And 2 when get added to 19 will get you a 21. So your final answer is 2135. Okay, if you want, let's do one more. Let's just do one more, a big one. Instead of doing 3 digits, let me take like 4 digits this time. So we have 4163 plus 2894, and let's add 9869, and let's add one more 7143. Then in that case, what you do is add 4 plus 2 8 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. Okay, we're not going to write any signs. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. And 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So your final answer is going to be 9. When you add 1 to 25, you get 6. You add 2 to 18, you get 20. So 0 and 2 when get added to 22, you get 24069. I'm so sorry, I didn't realize that this was not being seen. Okay, so I hope you all got the point. And now coming to your DIY. Okay, one more thing. For your DIY, the question goes, let's do a big number this time. 8316 when added to 4123. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. And students, please remember to share these videos with whoever you think this might be helpful. Okay, the entire goal of starting this channel was to reduce the fear of maths in all of y'all. Okay, so that's it for now. I will very soon see you in the next video. Bye.